Iraq has taken a strong diplomatic stance by recalling its ambassador from Tehran for consultations and summoning Iran's charge d'affaires in Baghdad. This move comes in protest against Iranian strikes on northern Iraq, resulting in the unfortunate death of several civilians overnight. The Iraqi Foreign Ministry condemned the Iranian attack as a blatant violation of the sovereignty of the Republic of Iraq. It emphasized that such actions contradict the principles of good neighborliness, breach international law, and pose a threat to the security of the region. Late on Monday, Iran launched missiles targeting what it claimed to be Israeli spy headquarters in Erbil, near the US consulate compound in Iraq's northern Kurdish region. Simultaneously, Iran targeted Islamic State group positions in northern Syria. The Revolutionary Guard of Iran reported the launch of 4 Khaybar missiles at IS positions in Idlib, Syria, and 11 precision ballistic missiles at the Kurdish region in northern Iraq. Iran asserted hitting a Mossad center affiliated with the Israeli intelligence agency. The missile strikes by Iran followed recent claims by the Islamic State group taking responsibility for 2 suicide bombings earlier in the month. These attacks targeted a commemoration event for Iranian General Qasem Soleimani, who was killed in a US drone strike in 2020. The bombings occurred in Kerman, resulting in at least 84 fatalities and 284 injuries during the ceremony honoring the slain Revolutionary Guard general. Last month, Iran accused Israel of conducting an airstrike in Damascus that resulted in the death of a high-ranking Iranian general, Sayyid Razi Mousavi. The recent missile strikes by Iran targeted locations in Syria, specifically in Idlib province, where it claimed to hit Islamic State group positions. However, it remains uncertain whether the strikes had indeed targeted any IS-associated sites. Reports from northwest Syria, including statements from Munir al-Mustafa of the White Helmets, indicated that one of the strikes in Idlib hit a non-operational medical clinic in the village of Tal Teta. The clinic was reportedly empty and there were no militant activities in the area. Despite this, 2 civilians suffered minor injuries in the attack. In Erbil, Iraq, the missile strike resulted in at least 4 casualties, including Pishraf Dzai, a prominent local businessman, and members of his family. The US condemned the missile strikes, characterizing them as Iran's reckless missile strikes. In response, Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Nasser Kanani stated that the attacks in Iraq and Syria were in defense of the country's sovereignty, security, and counterterrorism efforts. Kanani described the operation as precise and targeted, aiming at the headquarters of those perceived as threats to Iran's security. In Erbil, a few hundred demonstrators gathered to protest the missile attacks. The situation reflects heightened tensions and the complex geopolitical dynamics in the region.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.